Hey everyone, it's late night story time. Want more heart-wrenching tales? Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Tonight's story starts with a chocolate can that shattered my 7-year marriage. I'm Emily Parker, 33. Living in Seattle for 7 years. Married to James Carter, my college sweetheart. I thought I could win his heart forever. But one half-eaten chocolate can showed me the truth about our love. It was a rainy Tuesday. I found a chocolate can in James' jacket. Half-eaten, sticky with caramel. My heart sank like a stone. James never touches sweets. He's all about kale smoothies and gym diets. Why would he eat this sugary junk? My mind raced, replaying a moment. A week ago, I found a pack of cookies in his car. He said a coworker gave them to him. But everyone at his office knows he's anti-sugar. Who'd give him cookies? With trembling hands, I checked the dash cam. The screen flickered, and a voice came through. "Thanks for the ride, boss." A bright, flirty male voice. My stomach twisted. It was Noah, the new intern at James' firm. Noah's young, all sunshine and charm. He reminds me of James' college crush. Bright smile, loud laugh, always the center of attention. Unlike me, who's always been the quiet one. Standing in James' shadow in the video, Noah holds out the chocolate can. "Try one, boss, it's so good." James laughs, waving it off. "I don't do kid stuff like that." But then he takes one, pops it in his mouth. The crunch echoes in my ears. "All right, kid, I'll take you for a real dinner." His smile is so warm, so alive. I shut off the video, hands shaking. My heart feels like it's been stabbed. For 7 years, I gave up everything for James. Quit my job at a local news station to be his full-time support system. I learned to cook healthy meals. Studied recipes to keep him fit. One Thanksgiving, I made maple glazed salmon, hoping to make the holiday special. James came home late, tossed his fork. "Too sweet, too heavy, you trying to kill me?" He stormed off to bed, leaving me staring at a table full of food. Feeling like a failure. But now, he's eating Noah's chocolate. It's not about the sugar. It's about me. I sat on our couch, head pounding. Seattle's rain tapped against the window. I felt too heavy to move. 7 years ago, I chased James. He was heartbroken after his first love left. I stayed by his side, waiting. When he proposed, I thought I'd won. But I was just the rebound. These 7 years, he's been all about work. promotions, late nights, networking. I gave up my career to manage our home. He never said thank you. When I mentioned his office ignoring me, he'd snap, "You don't get corporate rules. If we go public, I'll never get promoted." I swallowed my hurt, kept trying, hoping he'd see me, love me. But Noah's arrival changed everything. James didn't care about promotions anymore. Not when it came to that bright-eyed intern I pulled out the divorce papers. I'd drafted them a year ago. Tucked them away, too scared to use them. Because I loved him too much. But this time, I was done being the fallback. I handed the papers to James. He was on his laptop, as usual. He glanced up, smirked. "Emily, what's this? Playing hard to get? I pay for everything, and you pull this." He tossed the papers on the floor. "I'm working, don't bug me." I took a deep breath, fighting the ache. "James, you forgot. I had a job offer in New York. I gave it up to follow you here. When you had that ulcer, I quit to take care of you. You think a Seattle housekeeper's salary covers what I do?" He froze, eyes wide. "You're freaking out over some chocolate." I nodded, voice steady. "Yeah, that chocolate was enough." He scoffed, signed the papers. "Emily, don't come crawling back like a dog." I didn't look at him. Grabbed my suitcase and left. Standing in Seattle's drizzle, I felt lighter. 7 years of love had become a habit. But habits can break during the 30-day cooling-off period. I checked into a hotel. I thought I'd cry, lose sleep. But I slept like a baby. Woke up to sunlight, ordered pancakes. For the first time, life felt simple. Then James called. "Mom's here, come home." I laughed, cold and sharp. "Your family reunion doesn't need me." His mom's voice came through, lecturing. "Emily, don't be so dramatic. James works hard to support you. You're just sitting at home." I snapped back. "We're divorced. Call James, not me." I hung up, set my phone to airplane mode. His mom always saw me as the small-town girl. Not good enough for her big-shot son. At our wedding, she complained about the venue. For our honeymoon, she invited half the family. "I'm allergic to peaches," she'd bring them anyway. Told me to stop whining when I itched. I took it all for James. But he never stood up for me as the cooling-off period ended. James started texting me. Morning messages, random life updates. bought a jasmine plant today, means separation. Guess what I wished for? I didn't reply. He wasn't in love with me. He just didn't want to lose his live-in mate on divorce day. I got the papers. Split the assets down the middle. His mom called me a gold digger. I ignored her, took my parents on a trip. In Portland, I started posting videos. My life, my cooking, my travels. The likes poured in, and I found my spark. I started a vlog, capturing Seattle's markets. Old couples at coffee shops, stray dogs in parks. Each day, I felt more like me. Word got around about James. He quit his job, started drinking. Noah chased a richer boss, got into trouble. I heard it all, felt nothing. Just thought of that chocolate can. And the weight it lifted off my shoulders. Ladies, love yourself first. Ever had a moment that broke your heart but set you free? Drop your story in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.